Well, gotta annoy El Honey Buns with his push-ups, so let's go bother him. Hello, Honey Buns.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Trying to finish stupid chicken coop.
Yeah. Oh, that looks awesome.
I was thinking the red is very appropriate for the chicken coop.
Red. Don't even go there.
They
Please.
can get used to blood.
That is just wrong. That is very wrong. You said we were using these chickens for eggs.
Oh, that's right,
Yeah, okay. No more talk about chickens. Although fried chicken sounds good right about now.
There you go.
Just joking. My goodness.
You're worse.
I came to ask you if you've done your push-ups.
Of course
You
not.
know, because the last two videos that I've seen, you've been doing them like almost at like dark at nighttime, so there's still some daylight, as you can tell, you know.
Yeah.
So
I'll get to it when I get to it.
but look at that, that looks freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Almost there.
All right then.
Day 16. See, I told you it was looking good. Anyways, but point is, the inside is done, which means tomorrow we put the chickens in there, and that's a good thing. We can finish the outside later. Alright, well, let's do these push-ups. Oh man, chesty pullers is always the most difficult one. Alright, till tomorrow.